The piano, often referred to as the king of instruments, stands as a majestic and versatile music marvel. Its history is a rich tapestry woven by the threads of innovation, creativity, and the evolution of sound. Here are some facts about the piano. The piano was invented by Bartolomeo Cristofori, an Italian instrument maker, around the year 1700. It evolved from earlier instruments like the harpsichord and the clavichord. The name piano comes from the Italian word pianoforte, which means soft loud. This name reflects the piano's ability to produce both soft and loud sounds, unlike its predecessors. A standard piano has 88 keys, comprising 52 white keys and 36 black keys. The keys are organized in a repeating pattern of 7 octaves and a minor third. Pianos produce sounds by striking strings with hammers when a key is pressed. The pitch of the sound is determined by the length and tension of the strings. There are several types of pianos, including grand pianos, upright pianos, and digital pianos. Each type has unique characteristics and uses. Grand pianos have horizontal strings and a larger soundboard, offering superior sound quality and dynamic range compared to upright pianos, which have vertical strings. Upright pianos are more compact and space efficient. Digital pianos use electronic technology to reproduce the sound and feel of acoustic pianos. They often come with features like various instrument sounds, recording capabilities, and headphone jacks. Pianos require regular tuning to keep them in proper pitch. Changes in humidity and temperature can affect the tuning, so pianos often need tuning several times a year. Many famous composers, including Ludwig van Beethoven, Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, and Frédéric Chopin, composed some of their most well-known pieces for the piano. Most pianos have 3 pedals. The damper pedal, which is the right pedal, sustains notes. The soft pedal, which is the left pedal, softens the sound, and the sostenuto pedal, which is the middle pedal, sustains specific notes while allowing others to be played normally. The largest type of grand piano is the concert grand, which can be over 9 feet long and is used in professional performances in concert halls. Pianists use various techniques, including legato, which is smooth and connected, staccato, which is short and detached, and trills, which is rapidly alternating between 2 adjacent notes, to create expressive and varied music. The piano is often seen as a symbol of classical music and is a central instrument in various music genres, from classical and jazz to pop and rock. The piano, a timeless masterpiece of invention and artistry, has played a harmonious role in the symphony of human history. Its elegant keys, Meticulously crafted strings and dynamic range have enchanted both virtuosos and amateurs alike for centuries.